XRP will be the global bridge asset for central banks. Is this the big news all the XRP enthusiasts were waiting for? Ripple has successfully managed to shock everyone by announcing a massive XRP plan, which puts Ripple's XRP crypto token at the heart of all central bank digital currencies, or CBDC. Do you know how important this is for XRP? And what will be the impact of this decision on XRP's price and market cap? Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we teach you everything about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you're new here. Also click the link in the description if you want to learn everything about crypto investing. In today's video, we will be talking about Ripple XRP and how it is going to be the world currency that will serve as a global bridge asset for all the central banks. This is a huge accomplishment, not only for Ripple itself, but all the XRP investors. But what does this mean for Ripple XRP in the long run? If you're curious to know, keep on watching till the end. XRP to be the world currency for all CBDC. Guys, when the majority of people were busy criticizing Ripple for the SEC lawsuit, Ripple was busy doing much more. They have managed to exceed all expectations of their investors with this one decision that may prove to be a turning point in the history of cryptocurrency. Ripple has announced a massive XRP plan which puts Ripple's XRP crypto token at the heart of all central bank digital currencies, or CBDC. The future financial monetary systems are all going to be based on CBDCs. Every government, every central bank is going to have its own CBDC, and Ripple is building a core component that will power all of this and make XRP be the world currency for all of them. These are very ambitious plans that Ripple has, which will massively increase the utilization of XRP. Increase in utilization of XRP means an increase in XRP price. This is something that is going to benefit all XRP investors, but only time will tell whether such a thing is possible or not. In today's video, I will focus on the pilot program that Ripple currently has for a private ledger for CBDC, which is going to be crucial, especially in terms of privacy and control. This and more in today's video, so stay tuned. Ripple XRP as a bridge between digital central bank currencies. Guys, according to Ripple's head of global banking, the XRP token could act as a bridge between digital central bank currencies, which themselves lack interoperability. It is also predicted that the trend towards digital currencies will be accelerated by the corona pandemic. In this regard, Ripple is testing a version of its distributed ledger for central banking digital currencies, contending its technology can add scale and speed for mass issuance. The blockchain company says XRP can be a bridge asset between CBDCs and other digital currencies. The claim is a potential source of controversy because the SEC is suing Ripple and pushing for XRP to be regulated as an investment. But it seems like this SEC lawsuit has no impact whatsoever on Ripple's long-term planning. Ripple pilots a private ledger for central banks launching CBDCs. Guys, what is revolutionary is that Ripple is piloting a private version of the public open-source XRP ledger that provides central banks a secure, controlled, and flexible solution for the issuance and management of digital currencies. With over 80% of central banks actively exploring some of sovereign-backed cryptocurrencies, new central bank digital currencies are bound to emerge. Each new CBDC will have unique goals that will be driven by the specific market challenges and opportunities of its country, unavoidably leading to different technologies and implementations and leaving the world with an array of CBDC solutions. Moving on, this CBDC plan may face some challenges. CBDC Challenges. Distributed ledger technology would be the basis for most CBDCs, just as it is for today's cryptocurrencies. While central banks can tap into existing blockchains to get CBDCs up and running quickly, most ledgers are not built for payments and cannot handle the volume of transactions that a successful retail CBDC will require. Most blockchains are public ledgers, visible to all and uploaded by a broad network of validators. A central bank requires more transaction privacy and control over its currency than a public ledger can offer, so will most likely opt to create a CBDC on a private ledger that can also operate at the required scale. Guys, additionally, interoperability, which is the ability for a private ledger to connect with today's existing global financial infrastructure, as well as other CBDCs and other digital currencies, will be critical. This imposes a number of challenges that need to be dealt with before CBDCs become a trend. The CBDC Private Ledger. Guys, as I just said, the CBDC Private Ledger is based on the same blockchain technology that powers the XRP ledger, which means that the CBDC Private Ledger is built for payments. This also means that the CBDC private ledger is designed for issuing currencies, with over 5,400 currencies issued on the XRPL over the past 8 years, including its native digital asset XRP, which can be leveraged as a neutral bridge asset for frictionless value movement between CBDCs and other currencies. The best thing about it is that moving money on the CBDC private ledger will be cost-effective, reliable, and close to instantaneous. Transactions can also happen at volumes required by central banks. The CBDC private ledger will handle tens of thousands of transactions per second initially, with the potential to scale up to hundreds of thousands of TPSs over time. Transactions on the CBDC private ledger are verified by the same consensus protocol used by the XRP ledger, which is far less energy intensive and therefore less expensive and 61,000 times more efficient than public blockchains that leverage proof of work. In addition, to leverage the XRP ledger technology, the CBDC private ledger is also supported by RippleNet Technologies and the Interledger suite of protocols to enable ultra-high throughput use cases such as micropayments. The CBDC private ledger meets even the highest security standards for central banks, with each having complete sovereignty and ability to customize based on their own unique privacy and policy requirements. The core technology behind this new CBDC private ledger has been running for more than 8 years without incident and with billions of dollars of value transacted every day. Isn't this amazing, guys? Time to define the future of money. Guys, Ripple has a proven track record of successfully connecting disparate payment systems, championing blockchain's utility to solve for global payments, and is trusted by hundreds of financial institutions around the world. They are currently engaging with central banks around the world to better understand their goals and assess how CBDC private ledger can help achieve them. This solution will overcome the major challenges around creating and managing a sovereign digital currency, while amplifying the value and benefit for central banks, their partners, and above all, the millions of people who will use it. The year ahead promises continued acceleration in crypto innovation. Within this, the evolution of central bank digital currencies, CBDC, will play an important role in transforming payments globally and preserving the overall positive trajectory of the sector. And key to this will be how central banks approach interoperability and regulations for those CBDCs. A network of diverse yet interoperable digital fiat currencies will help surmount the current system of today's country-specific walled financial gardens that impede cross-border payments, global e-commerce, and financial inclusion efforts. In fact, guys, much like common standards allowed the internet to become a global tool for the exchange of information, CBDCs act as a means to create open payments protocols and facilitate a frictionless exchange of value across borders. In turn, this will create faster, cheaper, and more efficient payment infrastructures with lower failure rates, greater competition and access to global markets, increased access to financial services for unbanked populations, and government sovereignty over monetary policy. To realize the full potential, the 80% of central banks currently exploring CBDCs must embrace interoperability. This universal interoperability hinges on the use of open standards and neutral bridge assets optimized for speed, scalability, and cost to free up capital, and enable the unrestricted movement of value between CBDCs. Neutral bridge assets will allow for frictionless value movement between various CBDCs without requiring each one to solve the liquidity challenges inherent in cross-border transactions. RippleNet's on-demand liquidity service allows financial institutions to transact in real time across multiple global markets, using the digital asset XRP as the bridge currency. XRP is faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset, making it the ideal instrument to bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. This solution can also support the direct exchange of CBDCs. Importantly, central banks cannot create these systems in isolation. In short, Ripple envisions CBDCs as the future of fiat, created and implemented so they can ensure both domestic and global success for participating countries. Ripple is working closely with regulators and central banks around the world to develop the protocols and infrastructure that can be used to launch these CBDCs. In conclusion, this definitely brings a hope for Ripple to revive XRP, and it may shine after a long while and suffering at the hands of the SEC lawsuit. So guys, this is it for today's video. What do you think about XRP as a global bridge asset for central banks? Tell us in the comments section below. But before that, Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And thanks for watching.